How to buy stories on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, unfortunately you cannot increase your hardware storage, but instead you can buy cloud storage to increase the software storage. Now to do that, simply open up Google on your device. Then tap on profile at the top right corner. Now tap on Google account. Now wait for some time. Now on the home page, simply tap on manage storage. If you don't find the option here, simply tap on the search icon at the top right corner, then type storage. Now tap on search. Now tap on account storage. Now scroll down. Now tap on see more plans. Now find the plan you want to buy. Now tap on start trial. Now tap on agree. Now complete the payment process. Now once you complete the payment process, you can get monthly or annual subscription for the storage plan you desired. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.